In this video, we're setting up VS Code with PlatformIO to program both Arduino and ESP32 boards. Let's get straight into it. Open your web browser and search for VS Code. Click the first link. Click Download for Windows. Once the download is finished, open the installer. Select I accept the agreement, then click Next for all steps. Click Install, and once it's done, click Finish. Now you've successfully installed VS Code. Next, let's install PlatformIO. Go to the Extensions tab, search for PlatformIO. Click Install. After the installation, you'll see PlatformIO in the sidebar. Open the PlatformIO homepage. Now let's create a new project for Arduino. Enter your project name, select your board, and choose the framework as Arduino. Click Finish. If this is your first time creating a project, it may take some time. Just wait until the setup is complete. This is the basic project structure of PlatformIO. The src folder contains your main code file, called main.cpp. The PlatformIO.ini file contains all the board and build configurations. This is a simple Blink example code. I've added a few serial print statements so you can clearly see that it's working. First, click the Compile button at the bottom. Wait until the compilation is complete. Next, select your correct port, or you can leave it on auto, then click the Upload button. You can also use the shortcut keys for compile and upload, which are shown in the video. Once the upload is finished, you should see a message confirming that it was successful. Now, open the serial monitor from the bottom panel. You will now see the output, which confirms that the code is running correctly. Let's install the ESP32 platform. Go to the Platforms tab and search for Espressif. I've already installed it, but on your device, you'll see an Install button here. Click it, and the installation will begin. Once that's done, let's create a new project. Enter your project name, select your ESP32 board, choose the framework as Arduino, and then click Finish. Now open the main.cpp file. This is a simple Hello World code. Next, select your port here, or you can leave it set to auto. Before uploading, make sure to switch from your previous project to this new project using this option here. Now you can click Upload. After the upload is successful, open the serial monitor. You should now see "Hello World" being printed. That means your code is working correctly. Thank you for watching. If you have any problems, feel free to comment below and I'll reply as soon as possible. And if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe.